Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to put a prepaid card on Cash App. Okay, so once you've actually logged into the Cash App application, we're going to go to our icon in the top right hand corner for our profile. So if you just select that first, and then when in this section we're going to scroll down until we see linked banks, so just select that, and then on this screen you'll either see something that you've already connected, so any accounts, credit cards or debit cards already connected. You may see the option for link prepaid card. I don't actually have that option, but I've got a link debit card. So if you actually want to go ahead and add a prepaid card, you can still actually select link debit card. So I'm just going to do that for the moment to show you the options. It's worth noting that Cash App does actually support many debit card and credit cards, so you should be absolutely fine when adding your card. So on this section here, as you can see, mine automatically pops up with my card details saved on my phone. So you would just type in the long card number and all the other details and then select link card. Cash App is normally pretty good at determining if that is a prepaid card. So once it knows that it is, once you put all the details in, then it will display as prepaid. Otherwise, it will just be a linked account, as mine shows at the top with the Wells Fargo bank. Okay, and then you have successfully added a prepaid card to your Cash App.